talaga naman habang ang taong bayan ay hirap na hirap, ang ating mga mangingisda ay naghihikahos, ang presyo ng pagkain at ang langis ay hindi ubus maisip, abay walang pakialam ang DOE at sila ay nagbabakasyon 2 araw sa 1 linggo ang pasukan. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Maraming salamat po.
Mr. Chair, hindi po kami nagbabakasyon, Mr. Chair. We work very, very hard. I mean, all our USECs have individual assignments. Sa power, naayos po yung power. On the supply side po, non-stop po yan, paghanap ng supplier. On enforcement, our offices, even though wala kaming tao, pinupuntahan po lahat po ng mga reklamo, it's not stopping the work, Mr. Chair. Our efficiency is even higher now because we are, despite the fact that we are work from home. Hindi po na titigilan yan. If there are applications for service contracts for renewable energy, that goes through EVOS. And all of that is on time. Those are applications, we comply with it, with the legal requirement that it has to be finished in 30 calendar days. Wala pong deemed approved yan kasi bawal po yan sa DOE. So we are doing everything on time. And if there are applications, our frontliners are there. Naka-assign yan na dapat kung may nag-apply po ng gusto nilang bagong gas stations, the office of Director Rino is there and they're actually practically there 7 days a week because of all these problems, Mr. Chair.
Secretary, I have no desire to argue with you, but the facts are evident. There's only a 2-day week as far as DOE is concerned at saksakan ang dami ng reklamo mula sa iba't ibang sektor, higit sa lahat ang sektor ng langis. Yun lang. Kaya siguro kung maaari, balikan kaya natin itong memo ng ating Pangulo na 4-day on-site. At least man lang yung DOE. Bigyan ng konting diin itong krisis na hinaharap ng ating bansa.